When it comes to enhancing comfort and livability in your Coppell home, new window installation is one of the most effective upgrades you can make. While many homeowners think about windows primarily in terms of aesthetics, their role in promoting better airflow and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment is just as important, especially in a Texas climate where temperatures and humidity levels can vary dramatically. The link between windows and indoor airflow. Windows are the gateways between your home's interior and the fresh outdoor air. The type, placement, and condition of your windows directly influence how well air circulates through your living spaces. Modern window designs are engineered to maximize ventilation when open and minimize air leakage when closed. By replacing old, poorly sealed windows, you can dramatically improve air movement throughout your home, which helps regulate temperature and reduce stuffiness. For example, casement windows open outward like a door, catching side breezes for strong ventilation. Double-hung windows allow both the top and bottom sashes to open, creating a natural convection effect for better airflow. Comfort through better climate control. In Coppell's warm summers and mild winters, the ability to control your home's temperature without over-relying on HVAC systems can make a big difference. New, well-installed windows help maintain comfort in two ways: reducing hot spots and drafts. High-quality seals and advanced materials eliminate uncomfortable drafts while keeping indoor temperatures more consistent. Allowing seasonal breezes. During cooler days, you can rely on fresh air rather than air conditioning, lowering energy use and utility bills. Better airflow also means a healthier environment. Removing stale air and replacing it with oxygen-rich outdoor air helps improve indoor air quality. Window placement and style matter. When upgrading your Coppell home's windows, consider how their style and location will influence airflow. Cross ventilation. Placing windows on opposite walls allows fresh air to flow straight through your home. Strategic sizing. Larger windows or multiple smaller ones in key areas like living rooms and kitchens can improve ventilation where you need it most. Operable designs. Fixed windows look great but don't open. Combining them with operable styles ensures you still have control over airflow. Working with a professional installer ensures your window layout is tailored to your home's architecture and your lifestyle needs. Professional installation for optimal performance. Even the most advanced, energy-efficient windows can underperform if they're installed incorrectly. Professional installation guarantees that frames are sealed properly to prevent air leaks. Sashes open and close smoothly for maximum airflow control. Insulation and weather stripping are installed to maintain energy efficiency. By choosing skilled installers, Coppell homeowners can enjoy the full comfort, airflow, and cost-saving benefits their new windows offer. Long-term comfort and energy savings. Over time, better airflow and insulation can reduce your HVAC system's workload, lowering your monthly energy bills and extending the life of your heating and cooling equipment. Plus, modern windows are built to last, meaning your home will remain comfortable for years to come with minimal maintenance. Final thoughts. Upgrading your windows isn't just about refreshing your home's appearance. It's about creating a living space that feels cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and fresher year-round. In Coppell, where climate comfort and energy savings are top priorities, professional window installation is an investment that pays off in both health and happiness.